On today's episode of A Daily Dash of Life, I will be showing you how to make an egg salad sandwich. This video is for my sister. Easy to follow instructions on how I make it. Today's ingredients are going to include some eggs. The amount is going to depend on how much or how little you are making at home. I have an ice bath started already. You're going to need some mayonnaise, mustard, salt, pepper, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper. If you're making some for some little ones, you might not want to use too much cayenne pepper, but I do like cayenne pepper in my egg salad. And then your choice of bread. Level up by getting some really good bread, but use what you have and make it spectacular. I'm gonna get the pot that I will be boiling my eggs in and fill it 3/4 of the way up to the top. Let's see, and then I'm gonna put the stove on a high setting. Just gonna add a lot of salt, and then I'm gonna start adding my eggs in. I'm not gonna start my timer until my water starts boiling. Once the water begins to boil, turn the heat from a high heat to a medium high heat. Allow the eggs to boil for 15 minutes. All right, now that my eggs are done boiling, I'm just gonna strain them and put them in a cold bath. Cold bath, cha-cha-cha.
Cold bath, cha-cha-cha. And we're beating up the eggs today.
Putting a little crack in them before we put them in the cold bath.
Yes, we
An
love
ice
cold
bath.
yolk. Ice bath, cha-cha-cha. That one's pretty cool. Well, it's about to be. It's actually pretty hot right now.
Alrighty. I'm going to give these a few minutes to cool down so that I can work with them. I'm not going to let them cool completely to where they're cold on the inside, but I just want them to be pretty manageable.
Cool down, cha-cha-cha.
So to crack my egg, I already have a little bit of a crack in here. I'm going to use the bottom and start cracking from the bottom. And the shell is already pretty much coming off on its own. I'm just going to peel like so. Dip in my water. Assistant, can you please bring that plate over here?
Okay.
Thank you. 1 down, 5 more to go.
Can I peel the shells off? Smells delicious.
It sure does.
Now it just needs his hat off. And this one broke.
It's okay. Okay, make sure you crack it. There you go. And then start at the bottom. There you go. And get underneath the shell as you crack. Start pulling. There you go. Try to get as much of this, look, try to get as much of this as you can. You want it closer?
it'll stick all over your fingers.
Yep, and that's what this little bowl is for. So you can dip real quick. There you go.
And off comes the hat.
So easy a baby can do it.
I'm no baby.
There you go. Oop. Left a little bit of a shell. There we go.
Second batch is boiling.
Second batch is boiling? Okay. Okay, we're gonna start on the next step, which is to cut up the eggs. Always slice mine this way, then slice the other way, and then I turn and cut this way. And it doesn't have to be pretty. Just whatever works is fine. When everything's said and done, you could even do a quick chop into the bowl. Everything should be bite-sized. Again, I'm gonna chop real quick with my knife.
And I'm gonna pick up these bits.
Yep, let's pick up the bits so we can put them in the trash. Everything we don't need anymore. Put away, clean up. Then we can wipe down the counter again. There you go, and this can go in the sink as well. Okay, on to my next step. This is where I'm going to season my food. I'm gonna season the salad now. Throw in some salt. I'm just gonna add salt to the top layer. Some pepper.
Pepper.
Paprika. And a little bit of cayenne, a dash of cayenne for your dash of life. Give that a good mix. I want everything to have a good coat with that paprika. If you need more, add more. It's all to taste.
It looks like cinnamon.
Okay, assistant, can I please have the mustard? Now I'm gonna coat with mustard before I do the mayonnaise. I want to make sure the mustard gets on everything. Sister, I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, I have it all coated, but I think it needs a little bit more of a coating. So I'm gonna add a dash more. Now I'm satisfied with the coating that my eggs have with the mustard. So I'm just gonna ask my assistant to please give me a dollop of mayonnaise or two. And make sure you don't touch the eggs with the mayo in case you have to put it back in the mayonnaise. Okay, so let me mix this up real quick and see where I'm at after that.
Looks delicious.
It sure does.
Smells all right too.
It's starting to get creamy. Oh yeah. I like this consistency. I'm just gonna put one more dollop. That might be a little too much. There you go. Yep. And everyone's preference to the consistency is different. So just do what you like. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. What do you think, assistant? Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's toast some bread.
Toast some.
This is the perfect lunch for this Texas heat. And I made some sun tea to go with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Cheers! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Toodles!
And now for the taste test. Mmm, good.